Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Daily Teachings. I am Kizar. From today, we are going to learn Git, a very interesting language, and I am super excited about it. We are going to start a series of lectures in which we will learn Git. I will tell you how you can use Git using command line interface and using graphical user interface. Means how you can use Git by, and I can't wait to let you people get started. Let's go to Google and write git-sem.com. Just click on it and click on this one. As you click on git-sem.com, you will see this type of interface to download your Git software. You can download Git from Mac OS, from Windows, or for Linux as well. In my case, I am using Windows and I can download it for Windows. I have to just click on it and it will download it. And you can see here are the multiple options for the GUI clients. If we want to use it in graphical user interface, then it's showing us the best apps for the graphical user interface. But you can see there are the multiple apps, and in our case we will use SmartGit. And let me tell you how you can download SmartGit. Just go to Google and write CentEvo. CentEvo.com. As you click on it, it will show this type of window to you, and you can see here are the multiple options. And in our case, we want to download SmartGit, and it's asking about we want to purchase or we want to only download, and I want to only download. You can just click on download and it will download your SmartGit. And let's see how you can install both of softwares. I just open my download folder, and you can see here is my Git that I have downloaded. Just double click on your Git setup, and this is very much easy to install Git, and it is nothing difficult to install Git and SmartGit. And just follow the step as I am doing. Just double click on your setup and yes. As you click on yes, and the Git setup will start working. And first of all, it's asking about us license. Just click on next, and now it's asking about the files where you want to execute, and I want to execute indefinitely in C program file and Git, and just click on next. Do not, if you want to make an additional desktop icon, you can check this, and if you do not want to make an additional desktop icon, and you can leave it as it is and just click on next. Fine. Git next, 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 and here is showing the use Git from Git bash only, Git from the command line, and also from the third-party software. Click on this because we will use Git from command line and also from the third-party software, and it's also recommended for us. And use Git for the optional Unix tools from the command line prompt. Just click on this Git and click on next. And for here is section use OpenSSL library definitely. And here is asking to check out Windows style, comment Unix style, and ending check out Unix style, and check out as comment is check out Windows style. Next, use Windows default console or use Mintiver default console. Use Mintiver default console and click on next. Again, as it is. Enable system caching. Next, enable experimental spot. Just click on this and install. In this way you can install Git. And as it will complete installing Git, let me tell you how you can install SmartGit. You will see this type of folder when you download SmartGit. What you have to do, you have to just click and right click on it. As you right click on it, it will show you a pop-up menu where you will see the option extract file. You can extract your file as well. Like this, extract file, extract here, you can extract files. When you extract file, you will see this type of folder in your device. First, let Git install, then we will install SmartGit. For now, I want to tell you why we can or why we want to use Git. You know, Git is used for the professional development, or whenever you are in a group of people and you want to work on a project, and all of you belongs to the different states or different countries or different places, you can use Git or SmartGit to do your project for web development, or it can be for anything or any type. Git will help you to manage your projects. We will make repositories in Git, we will commit changes, things like that, and it will help you and your team to compile or merge your code at one place, whatever you are doing. Another additional option that Git is providing us whenever we are using Git, and let's suppose you make any change in your code, and when your friends or your group member want to access this file, Git will tell them that your friends has already make changes in this file, and it will also show it what type of change you have made it in the file. Let's see, it is almost installed, and click on finish. Now we have installed Git, and now let's see how we can install SmartGit. Just double click on the setup, and it's also pretty simple. As we install Git, we have to just click next, 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 and finally install. I just double click on the setup, and it's asking about yes or no. Yes, I want to install. I just click on yes, and it will show me a window for SmartGit installing setup. It's just loading files, and again it's asking about main directories, C program file, and SmartGit, and click on next. Yes, next. Or it's up to you, you want to create desktop icon for your SmartGit for the quick access. Yes, I want to create, next, install. And in this way you can install SmartGit. And in our first video we see how we can download Git and SmartGit. We use Git for command line interface, and we will use SmartGit from graphical user interface. Fine. And we also see how we can use and install Git and SmartGit. First we install Git, and now we are installing SmartGit, and let's wait for its installation. And in our future lecture, from our very first lecture, we will start working on both of these software. We will start working from command line interface. Then in every lecture, first we will work on command line, and then we will move towards the GUI, graphical user interface. Means first we will use simple Git in command line interface, and then we will move towards the SmartGit to use it in graphical user interface. And in this way you can install your softwares. And let's wait for its completion for extracting file on installing SmartGit. And if you want to check that earlier we installed Git, you want to check that your Git is successfully installed or not, you have to just open your command prompt write cmd in your search menu, or you can open command prompt and just write here git. As you write git, if it shows this type of lines in your screen, means your git is successfully installed. If you want to check the git version, and in this way it will tell you about the git version as well. Here our SmartGit is also successfully installed, and you can launch your SmartGit for now, or you can launch it later, and just click on finish. And it's all about today's video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon, and be motivated towards this channel or towards this lecture series for Git, GitHub and SmartGit. Thanks for watching.